Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to dive into one of Odoo's most exciting features, online signatures. Whether you are looking to streamline your approval processes, improve your document management, or just want a more efficient way to handle signatures, Odoo has you covered. So let's see how it works. Here by default you can see only your favorite templates. Let's remove this filter to see them all. You can upload a PDF if you want it for a one-time signature, or upload a PDF template if you want to use a template multiple times. Tags can be assigned to documents or files to organize them by purpose or context. So here you have HR tags, NDA, which means non-disclosure agreement tag. This tag would typically be used for documents related to non-disclosure agreements, which are legal contracts designed to protect confidential information shared between parties, and documents related to sales. This is very useful, especially if you have a lot of documents. Here you have several function buttons. You can send your document to be signed, or sign it now if you need to sign it yourself. You can also share this document using the link provided here. Sharing creates a copy of the file to be signed. The link is private. Only those who receive the link can sign it. But this option is only available if you have only one role in this document. The default list of roles can be found in configuration. You can modify it or create your own. You also have the option for extra authentication step to make it more secure by requesting a unique code via SMS. And other configurations, you can change authorite and assign a specific color to documents associated with this role. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard and upload a PDF template. Select the document you want to sign and upload it. Now from here, you have many fields that can help you customize your document. For example, you can add initials or name field. Just click and drag the field where you want. You can resize it or move it around. You can also add checkboxes, selection, company, email, and other fields, so you can really tailor your document to whatever is required. But in this case, we only need signature. So scroll down and you will see signature fields. Now add Odoo signature fields for customer and for service provider. As you can see, the role or the person who has to assign this in both fields is the customer by default. But you can change it. Just click on the top right corner and you will see the list of roles that you want to sign this document. For example, service provider. You can also make it mandatory or not. We will keep it and validate. Okay, save it. Once it is saved, you will see it here on your dashboard. Now you can send it to the customer and the service provider. Select the people you want to sign this document, for example, Abigail Peterson, and as a service provider, I will select myself to show you how it works. You can also specify the order for each signer. This means that the signature request will only be sent to the next signers in the sequence when all signers from the previous level have signed the document. Next, you can change the subject or attach any additional files if you want. Okay, let's send it the way it is right now, and we are going to have an overview of that document. Now in the All Documents tab, you can see that the document you sent has appeared here. And since I have selected myself to sign it, in the Waiting for Me tab, I will also see the document. And I will able to sign it. As you can see, I have an automatic signature that is generated. but you can either draw it or load it. The last one, I have to validate and send it. Okay, now we will go back to the Documents tab, and you will be able to see the document that I have just signed, and that my name is in green because I have completed my part, but we are still waiting for our customer to sign this document. You can also see more details about this by clicking on those three dots and then clicking on Details. So as you can see, managing e-signatures is so easy and convenient. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.